Students, welcome to my YouTube channel Ergon Tutorial. Today we will discuss what is the cross product or vector product of two vectors. The definition is the cross product of two vectors A and B is defined as vector A cross vector B is equal to mod of vector A into mod of vector B into sin theta into an unit vector. Here n is the unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. This is the n unit vector which is perpendicular to both A and B. Here we have to do this vector product anti-clockwise direction. From A to B, this is the right-handed rule. If we curling our fingers, which are given direction to the vectors A and B, and the thumb impression will be on the upper side of the two vectors. If we move B cross A in the clockwise direction, then the unit vector will be in the downward direction with negative sign, minus n unit vector. Here we will also apply the right-handed rule system. From B to A, our thumb will be directed toward the downward direction. Now, cross product of two same unit vectors, I cross vector I, cross vector I is equal to mod of I into sin 0 into j. Because here theta is the 0, because I cross I is both are the same vectors. So they may be parallel or collinear. So angle will be between them will be 0 and sin 0 equal to 0. So I cross I will be equal to 0. Similarly, j cross j is equal to k cross k is equal to 0. Now two different vectors I cross j is equal to mod of I into mod of j into sin 90 degree equal to k. Here mod of I जो magnitude of unit vector is 1. This one is 1 into 1 sin 0 is equal to 0. Here 1 into 1 sin 90 degree. Here angle 90 degree, theta 90 degree, sin 90 is equal to 1. So 1 into 1 into 1 into k. So is equal to unit vector k. Because unit vector I is the component along x-axis, unit vector j is the component of along y-axis, and k is the component of along z-axis in the rectangular coordinate system. So their three components are mutually perpendicular to each other. So I cross j is equal to, there will be k. K is the perpendicular to both I and j. One more thing here, theta will be equal to 0 less than equal to theta less than equal to pi. In the same way, we can write this j cross k is equal to I and k cross I is equal to j. Now, one more thing, if A is equal to A1I plus A2J plus A3K and B is equal to B1I plus B2J and B3K, then A cross B can be found out by the determinant method. First we write here I, J, K, then A1, A2 second row, A3. Third row will be B1, B2 and B3. Now determinant here, take the determinant, write I, delete this and write A2, A3, B2, B3 minus J, delete this A1, A3, B1, B3 plus K, delete these two A1, A2, B1, B2. Now A2, B3 minus B2, A3 into I minus J, A1, B3 minus B1, A3 plus K, A1, B2 minus B1, A2. J can be written here. So rearrange this J may be written here. We can write directly this line or this. This is the method how we can find out the determinant if anybody is not in touch with the determination. So in this way we can find the determinant of this. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thanks for watching.